In prime time news this evening, expect challenges. Education Minister warns of rocky start to new term next week. Fresh concern about drug use among students. And lawmaker insists garbage collection competition between the JLP and PNP can work.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, on air and online once you log on to onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious. It was a historical day on the stock exchange, and Javon Keys has a preview.
Indeed, Janella, thank you so much. One-on-One Educational Services became the 100th company to list on the JSE. I'll have that and more a little later on.
And I understand the ladies are on the track again tomorrow. Jeremy Brown is here to tell us what's coming in sports.
Thank you, Herman. The fastest woman in 2022 will be back on the track tomorrow in Brussels, Belgium, along with 6 other Jamaicans. We'll tell you more when we get to the start line a bit later on.
Exciting stuff. There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
This evening we're asking, what can be done to reduce the use of drugs such as Molly, among teenagers?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica, and tweet us at televisionjam1.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.